Hello, everyone. My name is Ananya. Welcome to our fun English speaking course. Today, we are going to learn how to say hello and introduce ourselves in English. Are you ready? Let's go. When we meet someone, we say hello or hi. Can you try that? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
Great job. Now, let's try hi. 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
Awesome. You are doing amazing. Now, let's learn how to tell someone our name. You say, my name is, and then you say your name. Like this, my name is Ananya. Can you try it? I'll count to 3 and you say, my name is, and then your name. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
My name is Manohar.
My name is Kavya.
Fantastic. You all have wonderful names. Let's put it all together. First, we'll say hello and then introduce ourselves. Like this, hello. My name is Ananya. Now, you can try.
Hello, my name is Nirja.
Hello. My name is Arav.
Wow, that was perfect. You are speaking English so well. Before we go, let's learn how to say goodbye. We say goodbye or see you later. Can you try it with me? 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye. See you later.
Excellent. You did such a great job today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.